Rohan bhai.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Shall I start now?
Yes. As the quorum is present, we may start the meeting now.
Good morning, Rupali.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Ashok bhai, आप unmute हो गए?
हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम.
Okay. चलो. I'm starting now. Very good
Everyone.
morning. So क्या चाह सकते हैं?
रमेश भाई.
चलो. I'm starting the AGM right now. Very good morning to all the stakeholders. Myself, Reena Kanabar, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. ये मेरी स्क्रीन क्यों नहीं आ रही? Sale bhai. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Please continue. You are audible and you are currently viewable to all of us.
Okay. Myself, Reena Kanabar, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company, heartily welcomes you all in 7th Annual General Meeting of your company. Before I hand over the speech to Ashok Bhai, I want to guide you about e-voting and video conferencing. The joining to this meeting opened 30 minutes before the scheduled time from the commencement of the meeting, which is 10:30 a.m. Members who have not already voted through remote e-voting can cast their votes through e-voting facility during the AGM. It will remain open for another 15 minutes after conclusion of the meeting. Members are encouraged to join the meeting through their laptops and handphones for a better experience and use internet with good speed to avoid any disturbance during the meeting. Participants connecting from mobile devices, tablets, or through laptops connecting via a mobile hotspot may experience audio-video loss due to fluctuation in the respective network. It is therefore recommended to use a stable Wi-Fi or LAN connection to mitigate any kind of aforesaid glitches. As mentioned in the notice, the facility of participation at the AGM through video conferencing or other audiovisual means has been made available for members on first-come, first-served basis, except for large shareholders, promoters, institutional investors, directors, AMPs, chairperson of Audit Committee, NRC, and Stakeholder Relationship Committee, as well as the auditors who are allowed to attend the AGM without any restrictions on first-come, first-served basis. Subsequent to the MCA circular of 8th April 2020, the facility to appoint proxy to attend and cast vote for the members is not available for this AGM. However, the body corporate is entitled to appoint authorized representatives to attend the AGM through video conferencing, other audiovisual means, and participate and cast their votes through e-vote. The registered office of the company situated at Rajkot shall be deemed as the venue for this AGM, and proceedings of the AGM shall be deemed to be made hereat. To transact the business as mentioned in the notice, the members were provided an opportunity to inspect the documents referred to in the notice along with the explanatory statement by writing to us at our email ID, which is cs@angelfibers.com till the date of AGM. We have not received any request from members for registration as speaker shareholders. Before we move towards chairman's speech, let me introduce all the panel members one by one. Now I am going to introduce all the directors and KMPs. Firstly, I would like to introduce Mr. Ashok Pai Dudhakar, our Managing Director and Chairperson of current AGM. Ashok Pai.
Hello, good morning all shareholder and panel members.
Good morning, sir.
Secondly, Prafulaben Dudhakar, Executive Director of the company. Prafulaben, unmute Thajo.
I have done it.
Good morning.
Thirdly, Ankur Baijani, Executive Director of the company.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, Ankur Bhai.
सर अंकुर सर आपकी आवाज बहुत एको हो रही है.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Okay, Uncle Bhai, done. Fourthly, Neerubhai Balda, Chairperson of Audit Committee, NRC and Stakeholder Relationship Committee, as well as Independent Director of the company. Neerubhai.
Hello. Good morning.
Okay. Now,
Meera Bhai.
Neerubhai.
Good morning. Yes.
Yes, good morning, Neerubhai. Second,
Good morning.
Ketan Bhai Vadalia, Independent Director of the company.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Ramesh Bhai Ranika, proposed Chairman and Executive Director of our company.
Adi ma'am, good morning.
Ramesh Bhai. Jitendra Bhai Rayani, Non-Executive Director of our company. Proposed Non-Executive Director. Jitendra Bhai. Rupali, Jitendra Bhai कौन है?
हेलो नमस्ते गुड मॉर्निंग आवाज आ रही मेरी
आ रही है Jitendra
हाँ जी
Bhai.
आ रही है सर.
थैंक यू
Rohan Bhai Rayani, proposed Managing Director of our company.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Pankaj Bhai Bhimani, proposed Executive Director of our company. Pankaj Bhai. पंकज भाई सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Pankaj Bhai.
Adi. Good morning. Good morning
welcome.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Hitesh Bhai Chaniara, proposed Independent Director of our company. Hitesh Bhai. Unmute किया Rupal. Hitesh Bhai.
हाँ,
morning,
just
everyone.
1 minute. Good morning sir.
Jyoti Ben Kataria, proposed Independent Director of our company.
Hello, good morning, madam.
Good morning. Jyoti.
Hello, good morning, all of you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hello,
Password में.
Tina ma'am, can you please repeat the name again?
Jyoti Ben Kataria.
hello, hello.
Hello.
हाँ मैम.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning ज्योति मैडम. रूपाली ज्योति मैडम का वीडियो आपको शो हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं हो रहा वीडियो शो. That's why I asked.
ज्योति मैम वीडियो ऑफ है आपका?
Just a minute, ma'am. Nah, started.
रूपाली रिज्वाइन करवाना है ज्योति मैम को लीव कर.
हाँ जी, I think should I remove her once?
हाँ रिमूव कर दो. मैम आपको रिमूव कर रहे हैं ज्योति मैम.
Okay.
वापस रिज्वाइन
Actually, I am
कर.
asking Jyoti ma'am to start her video. She is not accepting the request. Please, Jyoti ma'am, you will be receiving one request from me. Accept it.
Yes. Okay.
જ્યોતિભાઈ ને કહ્યું કે એના PC માં એની જે સિસ્ટમ છે ને મેન્શન લોગિન ખુલ્લું છે એમાં એના લાસ્ટ આઈડી પાસવર્ડ એના છે.
हाँ ये हमारे मस्ती करें मिलकर
નથી.
मस्ती करें हमारे टिफिन में वांडो
જ્યોતિ મેમ ને રિજોइन किया. We are proceeding further. Jyoti ma'am will join us.
Okay.
Okay, after Jyoti ma'am, I would like to introduce another independent director, proposed independent director of our company, Mr. Miraman Pai Bhatu. Miraman Pai.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Miraman Pai. Now I would like to introduce Ashish Desai, our Chief Financial Officer. Ashish Pai.
Good morning, all of you.
Now I would like to introduce Rupali Sanghi, scrutinizer of our current AGM.
Good morning, everyone.
Lastly, Neville Saljani, representative of scrutinizer, sir. Neville Bhai. You are not visible, Neville Bhai.
Good morning.
Good morning. Very good morning to all.
Very good morning. Now our introduction is over here, and with this introduction, I hand over the proceedings to the chairman of current AGM, Mr. Ashok Pai Dudakara, who is managing director and chairman of current AGM. Ashok Pai.
Hello, good morning, everybody. Hello.
Ashok Pai.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Dear shareholder and panel members, myself, Ashok Dudagra, Managing Director of the company, heartily welcome to all in our 7th virtual annual general meeting. This year, we missed the opportunity of your hospitality due to pandemic. For the growth of this year, I want to share that compared to this previous year, overall profitability of the company has been adversely affected this year due to unfavorable market conditions. Delay in receive the GST refund and well to as delay in receive this export benefit. Moreover, this latter part of this year, COVID-19 affected a lot in export. This breakdown has put a lot of pressure in textile industries. The total income from operation of the company for the year in rupees 141 crores 94 lakhs 48,680, will it was the rupees of 132 crores 67 lakhs 62,117 in this previous year. These figures show this company was on the growth stage, but due to this challenge in this profit good down in this year. Furthermore, at the end of the financial year, myself and Mrs. Prafulaben Dudagra entered in this share purchase agreement with Mr. Ramesh Kumar Ranipa and Jitendra Bhai Rayani on 7th March 2020 for selling our stake in 1 crore 41 lakhs 18,618 equity share at rupees 9, it constituted 56.47% of this issue. Paid up the subscribed equity share capital of our company for an aggregate consideration of rupees 12 crore 70 lakhs 68,120, and open offer will give by this acquire to this shareholder and Angel Fiber Limited to acquire up to 65 lakhs equity shares, considering 26% of equity share capital, voting capital of the Angel Fiber Limited at the price of rupees 9 per equity share. The open offer was opened on June 3rd, 2020 and closed on June 16, 2020. In open offer, 43,59,700 equity share constitute 17.44% equity share capital of Angel Fiber, were tendered by the shareholder of Angel Fiber Limited, and for which the acquirers paid total rupees 3 crores 92 lakhs 37,300 for acquisition of 43 2,59,700 equity share on June 25, 2020. They acquire the control over the target company under the regulation of 3 and 4 of SEBI takeover regulation, and has also appointed to executive director on the board of the company. They shall become the promoter of the target company upon compliance with the provisional of Regulation 31A(5) of the Securities and Exchange Board of India listing obligation and disclosure requirement of Regulation 2015. Now we move toward Mr. Ramesh Bhai Ranipa, who is the proposed new chairman and whole-time director of our company. He is a new sailor of our companies. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
With this, the speech of Ashok Bhai is concluded. He has given overview of last financial year, and now we move towards Ramesh Bhai, who is acquirer of the company. Ramesh Bhai, please give your speech.
हेलो नमस्कार, मैं रमेश भाई रानीपा, प्रपोज चेयरमैन एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ योर कंपनी। मैं सभी शेयर होल्डर्स और डायरेक्टर्स का तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। और हमने थोड़े समय पहले ही एंजल फाइबर लिमिटेड को मैनेजमेंट और कंट्रोल हमने संभाला है, और आज मैं एंजल फाइबर लिमिटेड का फ्यूचर्स गोल के बारे में 2 बात करना चाह रहा हूं और उसका ब्रीफ देना चाह रहा हूं। हमारे पास पिछले 5 साल से एक स्पिनिंग मिल का मैं डायरेक्टर हूं और इसका मैनेजमेंट संभाल रहा हूं, इसलिए मुझे टेक्सटाइल और यार्न इंडस्ट्रीज का बहुत बड़ा अनुभव है। और हम आने वाले टाइम पे ये पैनल मेंबर के साथ मिलके एंजल फाइबर को एक नई ऊंचाई को पहुंचाने के लिए मैं एक टारगेट रखता हूं। और हम ज्यादातर एक्सपोर्ट के ऊपर ध्यान देते हुए आने वाले टाइम में ज्यादातर एक्सपोर्ट करके हम कंपनी को एक विकास की ओर ले जाने की योजना बना रहे हैं। तो ये एंजल फाइबर की 7th AGM में फिर से मैं सभी शेयर होल्डर्स, डायरेक्टर्स और सभी एंजल फाइबर के स्टाफगण का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। और सबसे पास मेरी विनम्र अपील भी है कि आपका आने वाले टाइम में सहयोग मिलता रहेगा। खास करके अशोक भाई ने जो ये कंपनी टेक ओवर करवा के मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारी डाली है, वो आने वाले 2 साल में हम एक नई ऊंचाई पे लेके जाएंगे, हम सब साथ में मिलके। तो सबका तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करके मेरी स्पीच को मैं यहाँ पे विराम देता हूँ। थैंक यू, आभार, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ramesh Bhai. After the speech of Ramesh Bhai, I would like to request Rohan Bhai, who is our proposed managing director. Rohan Bhai, please give your few words to our shareholders.
Hello, namaste, good morning everyone. Myself Rohan Rayani, proposed managing director of your company. I would like to welcome everyone in the 7th annual general meeting of Angel Fibers Limited. As you all know that new panel of your company has recently formed, and I am proposed to be a managing director of your company. I had completed my management degree last year in Toronto, Canada, and I had also management experience in one of our group of companies. Therefore, I am willing to utilize my qualification for the development of Angel Fibers Limited with the support and assistance of our highly experienced panel members. Our all panel members are highly motivated, hardworking and goal-oriented. That's why I am assuring everyone that with the help of our highly experienced panel members, we will achieve each and every goal towards success in the future time. That's all from my side. Thank you so much, everyone.
Rohan bhai.
Thank you.
With this, with our speech of our new managing director, I would like to conclude the meeting. Anyone else who want to speak or say any words?
Anyone has any query or any questions? Please raise your hand. We
Okay,
will
I
conclude the
think
meeting.
yes, right. Okay, now I'm going to conclude the meeting with the request to all the shareholders, if they have not casted their vote through remote voting, may cast their votes for current AGM during the meeting or after conclusion of this meeting within 15 minutes. The e-voting facility is still open for 15 minutes after this conclusion.
Ma'am,
Thank
we
you.
have a new entry right now.
Who is entering?
3C09812B. Please tell me your name.
Maybe Jyoti ma'am.
Mr. Hardik Kaladia.
Hardik bhai to chair already live. Hardik bhai, do you have any question or queries? Hardik bhai is our auditor of Angel Fibers Limited for the financial year 1920. Hardik bhai.
I will unmute you, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah, I don't have any queries. That's it.
Thank
Okay,
you,
Hardik
sir.
bhai. Thank you for attending the meeting, Hardik bhai.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, now I'm concluding. Thank you everyone for your cooperation in attending the meeting. Please cast your vote if not done by remote voting. Thank you. Now
Thank you.
everyone can exit from the meeting. Namaste, Rohan bhai, exit please.